What if I told you that a penny, a single 1-cent coin, sold for $408,000? Not a gold coin, not a rare silver dollar, a penny. The 1,944 wheat penny is one of the most fascinating coins in American history. And right now, there's a very real chance one is sitting in a jar on your shelf in an old coin collection or buried in a drawer somewhere. Today, we're breaking down everything: the history, the mint marks, the value ranges, and most importantly, how to know if what you're holding is worth face value or a small fortune. Stay with me, because the story behind this coin is unlike anything else in numismatics. The year is 1944. World War II is raging across two oceans. The U.S. Mint had spent 1,943 striking pennies from zinc-coated steel copper was needed for shell casings and military equipment. But in 1944, the country switched back to its traditional 95% copper composition, melting down spent shell brass to make the transition. Here's where it gets interesting. A small number of leftover steel planchets from 1,943 accidentally made it into the 1,944 production run. The result? A handful of 1,944 cents were struck on the wrong metal steel instead of copper. These are known today as the 1,944 steel cents, and they are among the rarest error coins in U.S. history. The 1944 wheat penny was produced at 3 mints. Philadelphia, no mint mark, highest mintage at over 1.4 billion coins. Denver, D, mint mark on the obverse, approximately 430 million struck. San Francisco, S, mint mark, around 282 million produced. In circulated condition, most 1,944 wheat pennies from all 3 mints are worth between $0.05 and $0.50. In uncirculated grades, MS60 through MS65, values typically range from $3 to $25. But start climbing into gem territory, MS66 and above, and prices escalate fast. A 1,944 Philadelphia MS67 red example can fetch $200 to $500 certified. The Denver and San Francisco issues in top grades push even higher. And then there's the steel error. We'll get to that. The 1,944 steel cent is what separates this coin from the rest of Lincoln cent history. Only a small number of confirmed specimens exist across all 3 mints. The rarest of all, the 1944 S steel cent from San Francisco, with only 2 known examples in existence. One of those, sold at Heritage Auctions in August 2021, graded MS66 by PCGS for $408,000. That's not a typo. $408,000 for a penny. If you think you might have one, here's the fastest test. Grab a magnet. A genuine 1,944 copper wheat penny will not stick. A 1,944 steel error will be attracted to the magnet immediately, just like the 1,943 steel cents. If your coin sticks, stop everything and get it authenticated by PCGS or NGC before you do anything else. On eBay right now, raw uncertified 1,944 wheat pennies in average circulated condition are selling for $0.10 to $1. Nice uncirculated examples with strong red color fetch $5 to $20. PCGS and NGC certified gems, MS65 red and above, regularly sell in the $15 to $75 range for the Philadelphia issue. Denver and San Francisco certified gems command a small premium. The steel error specimens, even in lower grades, consistently sell for $25,000 to $100,000 plus. The handful of finest known examples are museum-level acquisitions. Bottom line, the common 1,944 wheat penny is an affordable, beautiful piece of American history. The steel error is in a league of its own. The 1,944 wheat penny is proof that history, scarcity, and a single minting mistake can transform something worth 1 cent into a coin worth hundreds of thousands. Check your collections, run the magnet test, and if something looks off, the color seems gray instead of copper, the weight feels light, get it to a professional grader immediately. If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe for weekly deep dives into the coins that matter. Drop your questions below, I read every comment. Until next time, look closer. You might be holding more than you think.